Wow, what a beauty, direct in from the last owner who really has cherished this vehicle. It is beautiful. A Volkswagen Golf 2 litre GTI 200 brake horsepower, 210 to be exact, carbon grey metallic, absolutely stunning with just 48,000 miles with amazing service history. It is stunning. Just a 2-owner car, registered September 2011 on a 61 plate, and the last owner bought it in May 2013, has cherished it all the way through. It is beautiful all the way around. It really is an incredible car. Great fun to drive. Absolutely love driving these. 210 brake horsepower, the 2 litre GTI engine, matched a smooth 6-speed gearbox. Let's take you all the way around it to show you exactly how nice this car is. Totally unmolested. Beautiful colour, carbon grey metallic. Really does suit the car. All the loading area nice and clean. No major damage at all. Lovely and clean in the boot. Split folding rear seats. You've got 3 load facility as well. Skis, fishing rods, bits of wood, whatever you want to put through there. Comes with a complete toolkit and spare wheel. Just gleaming away all down the sides. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they are like brand new, and fitted a set of brand new tyres all the way around. Goodyear Eagle F1s, so brand new wheels, refurbished, and brand new tyres all the way around. So we're not cutting back on prepping our cars. All down the sides, it is absolutely beautiful. No little dents, little dings or scrapes. For its age and mileage, we think it is absolutely beautiful all the way around. You might see the odd tiny little blemish elsewhere, but it is 2011 car. Really well cherished. Again, all across the front, lovely and beautiful. No major stone chips, the odd tiny little chip they might see, but otherwise very nice indeed all the way around. Of course 5-door, so you've got the versatility of performance as well as a family car. There's a final wheel, and just look at this inside, absolutely beautiful. All the door trims in great condition, no scrapes or damage to those, and look at that beautiful cloth upholstery. Absolutely love that tartan trim on the GTIs, very iconic on the GTIs. Beautiful and clean inside, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Again, driver's door trim, all in great condition. No scrapes anywhere getting in and out. All the entry points nice and clear. And again, the driver's seat, hardly anywhere at all on there. Nicely GTI embossed on there. All the headlining, all the trims. 48293, that's what it's done. 48293, 2011 car. Nice flat bottom sport steering wheel. Again, the passenger door trim, all the dashboard, all in fabulous condition. Stereo CD, media input, the full menu on there, aux input, cool box in there, keep your drinks nice and cold. Six-speed manual gearbox. Nice couple of cup holders there. Media input in there, and the centre armrest as well. Very stereo function on the steering wheel. Menu on the dashboard, giving you various options to set the car exactly how you want it, with convenience lighting, radio channels, Bluetooth connection. All nice, little, simple to follow through. So what a car we have here. Nice flat bottom steering wheel, as I mentioned before. Beautiful condition all round. 48,000 miles. Just look at the service history listed below on the website. Cam belt has been done, and it's also had a replacement clutch as well. A beautiful, beautiful unmolested GTI. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. And this is why we do the videos, to showcase all our cars. Full transparency, nothing to hide. Give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Furthermore, if you need a personalised video of any aspect we may have missed or close-ups, we're more than happy to do that for you. If you fancy this car at 2 o'clock in the morning, remember our full money back guarantee. Click and reserve it. And if you come to see it and collect it and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposits, no questions asked whatsoever. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700, ready to drive away today. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.